This one is a clip of the set that is the last data structure that I'll teach you for Python. You can think that the set is a dictionary without any values. It's stored the key, and we can access the element in the set fast, very fast. The idea is if you wanna store data and you wanna check that some content is in this data or not, you can use the set. It is much faster than the list. Okay, sure, you can store the data in the list, right? If you have 1,000, 10,000 elements in the list, if you want to check some content is in the list or not, it will be a little bit longer, right? We may use like a long time to get to check whether a data is in the list or not. But if you use a set, it will be much faster. Okay, so guys, I'll try to tell you how can we do that. Okay, for example, we will create a list of a random number. For example, data is random.rand int that start from 1 to 10. It may mean that I will include 1 and 10 in this list also for I in range 10. And let's check the data. This one is a list of this data. Can you see that we have 3 sevens here, right? 3 sevens, 2 6, and 1 8, and 1 9, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5. So if you change it into a set, sorry, if you change it into a set, let's see the result. It will store just only the unique value, okay? But in the set, you don't have any order. You cannot access the data using the index, like in the list. You can check whether that the data is in this set or not. So if you want to check that which number that include in the range, that is 1 to 10, but not in the data, how can you do that? It's very easy, right? So I will use for I in range start from 1 to 11. If I not in this set, so it is 1, 2, and 10, right? This is the one that is not in this data, right? So you can show again, this is the data that random is randomly created from this statement, and I print the one that is not in this set. Okay, and in the set you can use many operations of the set, like for example, I will create a set of data to be set of this data. Okay, so this one is set data like this. Okay, and if you want to find something like this, the one that is in 1 to 10 but not in this set, it's quite simple. You can use set operation. This is the list 1 to 10, right? And convert it to the set and minus the values of set of data, and it will return the set of data that is in this set but not in the set of data. Okay, you can use something like this also. Set of A, for example, you have a set of A, B, C, F, and you want a union with a set of B, D, and E. This one is the result of the union, right? It's quite simple. This is the union operation. This is minus operation, and you have the intersection also. This one is the intersection operation that get the intersection of both sets. Okay, so I hope that you can get the idea of how can we use the set, and it is very easy for us to use this set. One thing that I would like to remind you here is you can use the keyword in set in a set to check whether an element is in this set or not. Okay, this is a very important point of using a set. And you can use operation like union and intersection. You can use the uh, minus here, okay, to get the minus operation of two sets. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy the tuple, dict, and set of Python. In the next video clip, I'll show you some tricks that you can use to sort some data.